welcome back to our channel. So today obviously I'm alone, so you know what that means. Prank coming through. Today, since I haven't got Saw back in his previous little pranks, I thought I was gonna get him out real good today. So today I'm gonna be doing the coughing up blood prank on him. He's on his way because we're about to go get something to eat. So I already made my little blood moments. Look, and I already splattered it right here. Oh, who let me? So basically, he knows that I've been sick. Like, I've been coughing up. I've been coughing a lot. And this morning I told him I wasn't really feeling good, that I had like a pain, which is true, but it's really believable now. So I don't know how to do this actually. I don't know if to put in a cup and pretend I'm drinking something and then just start throwing up while he's talking to me. That's probably what I'm gonna end up doing. I'm gonna hide the camera though. I don't know where to put it. I'll find a place. But anyways, if you're new to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on your bell button to be notified when we upload a new video. And if you're excited to see this video, give this video a big thumbs up and comment Team Vienna. Yes, I am getting him. So keep on watching. Okay guys, I don't think he'll be able to see it right there, so we should be good. He's here. Hello, Salted. What are you doing?
You are me calling me.
Baby.
That's,
Where's your food?
I thought you were gonna go Christy.
Oh yeah.
No. And that's like a big old bacon.
Yeah.
How's work?
That's good. I just wasn't feeling good. Cause I told you about my right here.
Your
Like,
chest?
yeah. And then I've been coughing a lot.
You are me dying. Listen.
I just took a pill
When?
before I left.
Did you have a date?
No.
You took a pill.
Yeah.
You are me dying. It's okay. I'll bury you. Yeah. Dude. Oh shit. You good? Dude, you don't have no napkins? Oh shit. Yeah, where's your napkins at? You okay? Hold that. Hold that. You are me. This is Thanksgiving. Dude. Get up. Get up. Here. Huh?
I feel dizzy.
What? Hey. Why are you laughing? Why are you laughing?
This is a prank. Look, look your brother. Look here. It's a prank. Stop! Stop!
Why are you pranking me? Oh. pranking me?
Look at my face. Who let me? You are me, wetting me. Now I'm gonna get you back.
No. Yeah, not.
Saul.
Can't be wet.
Oh, stop. Little backfired. How did I do, guys? I used the food coloring. Look, you didn't even check the cup. Look at my boca.
Yeah, go brush your teeth.
You and me having no reaction.
Well, what do you want me to be like? Oh my goodness. Like, should have called 911.
Yeah. Anyways, guys, if you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up. Team Diana back at it again.
She don't know what's coming.
Dude! Stop.
Why?
Anyways, dude.
Why are you pranking me like that? That's stupid.
Till next time.